I've just always grown up knowing that it was there. It looks like something out of a futuristic movie. We used to canoe out there and go and explore it. And I would always be freaked out, like, man, there must be some big monster down there.
It's poisoning our people, and it needs to go.
Welcome to Neah Bay. We'll be going full throttle today.
I thought I'd die with this in the bay. I thought it would never go away.
My family has been generations and generations, as far back as I know, ocean hunters.
We believe that ocean was going to give us everything we needed for our daily lives, for our spiritual well-being.